What's up everybody, it is Colin here, and in this video we're going to have a look at Richpush, push notification traffic network. Let's see what it's all about, because I have actually just signed up, first look to see what we can expect from this traffic network. As you can see, it looks quite simple. This is what you see straight after you log in. So you have campaign, reporting, pixels, billing history, tutorial, feature request, and site app monetization. So this would be for the publishers. We're on the advertising side. We're going to buy traffic. Ad funds, email, profile, powered by Ad Machine. It's probably their mother company. Save time, push notifications, high return on investment ad format, push notifications, 100% bot free, interesting. Mobile and desktop, works well with all niches, install, gambling, sweepstakes, e-commerce. Right, what happens if we press this? Then it goes to create a new campaign, I would say, yes. So before we do that, let's have a look at the reporting, pixels, tutorial, feature request. So in reports, what do we have? So it's richpush.co, and when you're logged in, it's my.richpush.co. Apparently that doesn't work, so you have to click it yourself. So segment, request, bid, impression. So here I would assume the campaigns would show up as soon as you've, here in between, as soon as you've launched them. You can refresh, you can filter by date, by all the source codes, all the, what's it called, variables. You can filter. This looks pretty good, pretty standard, nothing too new or special. But pixels, but you don't have any pixels yet. Click the button below to click your first pixel. What is the pixel all about? Okay, it's just for conversion tracking. All right. Could be very useful, not super special. You can track it yourself with, for instance, Google Tag Manager and stuff. Okay, so Richpush tutorial. What we obviously always want to know is the bots and the money, how much money you need to deposit. So they have browser and mobile, browser first, mobile second, setup, hour targeting, hit of the season, well, powerful cover, like push traffic always about real people, no bots, cheating and so on, a source designed to clear the network of fakes. I don't know about that. All right, so this is what it will look like. Pixel, so they go over everything, so that's very nice, step by step. They give you some tips and recommendations, the policies, prohibited actions. It's okay, it looks good, but I want to know, so this is the tutorial. Maybe we have to go to the help section to see how much we need to input. There's no help document, so we might see it at billing history. No, we might want to have to press add funds. All right, minimum 100, see? All right, there's some bullshit story while you have to put 100, but the minimum deposit is 100, and they put it at 1000, but, so debit, credit, web money, and wire, that's what you can pick. So web money, so web money and wire. From wire, I think the standard is 500 and up, like most traffic exchanges do. So the feature request, we still have to do that before we start actually going to see the campaign builds. All right, so this is pretty cool. You can make comments, ask questions, like not questions, but make recommendations, and they take it into consideration apparently. Under review, planned, in progress, sort out carriers, filter carriers by country name, in progress. Let me see more than 10 campaign per page, planned. Well, this is in Russian, I think. I cannot read this also. Allow custom reporting time zones under review. So they're working with this. If you look at, let me just deselect all this, and then the completed ones to see what they've done. Ad status not approved. While unapproval is actually misleading. Looks more like we were reviewed and not have been reviewed. The client status should be clear pending. All right, so they take all of the feedback into in consideration to make Richpush better, which is cool, I would say. So you can do that by feature request. But we're obviously going to go to campaigns and have a look at what the layout is. Okay, get push traffic, it's what I want. Campaign, test, campaign, destination URL, okay, google.com, just testing. Okay, oh, okay. There we go. Add Google Analytics tracking code. Okay, please click here for all the available macros. Yeah, so you get all the everything that gets passed on to your tracker. It's good, it's good. We need that information. You can add that to the destination URL, title, message, win X, icon. We recommend to run 5 creatives. Oh, they give a lot of recommendations. Creative auto generator. Enable artificial intelligence to auto-generate creative based on already loaded creatives. Alright, so would it pick new ones for you or only pick new ones from your library? If it picks new ones, which you didn't have from your own library, that would be like super cool. Please upload not more than 10 creative at once. Postback request, yep, postback, cool. Select country, United States. America, region and city, no. Technology, what happens? All right, you can split device, operating system, and connection type. In that sense, you could run pin submit, those kind of things very specifically, which is good. Cost per click, 6 cents. For US, that's pretty good. Target CPA, smart CPC, new subscribers only. We recommend to enable this option for all new campaigns, turn it off to increase traffic. All right, see the CPC goes up. CPC goes up to 12 plus, and when we remove it, it's 6. Budget, unlimited budget is available. No, we're going to do 10 a day. Oh, it has to be at least 25 per day. Interesting. Please note, we do not recommend less than. In the case, we do not bear any responsibility for possible overspend issues. Okay. Schedule, run it, select subscriber base. What does this mean? Push notification subscribers are grouped into lists and located in different subscriber bases. For maximum traffic volume, please create 2 separate campaigns for each subscriber base. That's weird, but okay. Run on all lists. We can, all right, this is the source ID. No casino and subscription on this one. So this is with the websites where they're coming from. So you have to do run on network. And then as soon as you have the available data which brings you conversion, you can optimize. Impression cap, obviously, once per day. Click cap. Click cap once per day too, because if you create new campaigns, right? And then you hit create campaign and that's it. Very, very simple. Regarding their policies, you can click here, content policy, obviously what I expected, a button, and where we just went through. So regulated content listed below indicates products have additional requirements to be reviewed. ICOs, crypto, binary, forex, subscription, supplements, casino, alcohol. So that is important. Prohibited, escort, pharmaceuticals, drugs, like the usual stuff. It makes sense. It's all what we're used to. We've all seen it before. So this is everything you need to know about Richpush. Very short, to the point, all the different options available. Get to Richpush, send some traffic, make some money. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.